Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today was a very fun day. Sorry, okay, let me just get the music right so I can focus. So today was a very good day in the sense of both the shorting and even taking calls, right? Because this was kind of like a range bound day in the AM to the PM, right? So first you have to notice I first took a trade right here, and I have proof of everything. I don't know if I can it's like a whole big like like a log, like I have that, but it's like so long because I took like a lot of trades, scalps, right? So and I sold yeah, so I don't know if I can upload that, but if I can I will, but I am lazy and I don't get paid, so maybe not. Let me keep it real, okay? So I did short here, then I saw right here, right, support right here, so I exited pretty quickly right there, right? Then this short right here I did not catch because I believe that was like news bound, so that's why I didn't catch this at all. So I just waited, right? And then we closed this inverse cup right here, right? Right, I took a trade right here, right? Because this was a handle, right? Right here and then right here, and then we didn't have any continuation, right? We were finding support along this blue, so you have to protect here. Once you know there's blue support right here, right? So that's the second good scalp I took. Then another scalp I took was right here. So oh my god, I'm gonna make it look better. So right here, right? Oh frick, why can't I draw, right? All right, so this orange, right, right here, shoulder, head, another shoulder right here, that brought us all the way down. And you are guided by down this blue as well, so if you just follow blue, you're chilling, okay? So also you could have taken this trade off of blue right here once you realize that we doubled bottomed, right? But I wasn't really looking for longs here, so I did not take the trade. I would have rather waited for a cup to close, right, then take the trade, right? But I did find a short opportunity where I did get cooked, like insanely cooked. I got cooked out of my mind, okay? Which one was it? I think it was this one right here, okay? So I think I was looking for early shorts. Yeah, I don't remember exactly, but I got cooked, like I think right here, right? So I took it at the break of, I don't even know, but I got cooked right here where I didn't really set my pink right, and I should have waited. I should have waited honestly, because to take a short, at least to break yellow right here, right? But I didn't. I was getting impatient. I don't know why I wanted to take that put so bad, but I pretty much got cooked right here, okay? And I didn't realize that green angle as well. Like I didn't realize that green. Yeah, I got cooked right here. So I got cooked right here. So I didn't realize this green, right? This green tapering. I didn't realize this. I didn't see it yet. And that was my fault. And I realized too late, and I took like $1,000 loss right here. But again, I was still up like 2.5K from all this, right? Well, I was up 3.5. Then I lost 1,000 right here, right? Then again, so we discovered the green tapering off that. I didn't really want to enter after we closed the cup, right? I wanted to wait for the cup to close, right? Then we got this is the short that I did enter. This was the trade of the day in my opinion. So let me show you the structure right here: left shoulder, head, and then right shoulder right here, right? I entered a bit too low, so my entry was like at 0.67, right? So I was kind of worried a little of a reversal, but we just kept pushing down, so thank God. But yeah, this was the fucking almost 5-figure trade for the day, and I was up a lot from here. But again, you could have entered. You have to realize that this is a handle, okay? You cannot short it. Well, I did short this, but like you cannot like fully like be like bearish, right? Because you have to realize we're in a bullish structure, right? We close a cup handle, right? So you cannot short this like as a confirmed short, right? So we are still bullish, so you like you can wait for this break of blue, right? At this point I made enough, and it was like a Friday, like, you know, I just wanted to chill. I mean, I was still trading, but I didn't really pay attention for this. I wasn't looking for longs either here, right? But I entered here, actually. I entered the trade right here. Made a quick, I think like 1,000 right here as well, or more, I forgot. But it was a good trade. Then we closed another cup. Again, another handle. This handle I didn't enter. I just didn't find a good opportunity. But again, you have to realize we're still in the handle, right? You could have entered the break of right here, right? And then taken the last trade of the day for me, up all the way up here, and guided by this yellow, right? And then this orange, right? So yeah, it was a pretty choppy way up. So I actually got out like early here, but I was up enough for Friday. And Fridays, you just call it an early day, man. You want to end the week strong. You want to oh, this was a pretty good last trade too. Let me show you guys. So this trade right here, right here, right? I was praying, so I didn't catch this. So this was a pretty good last trade. Almost a point. Yeah, this was almost a point, so you could have taken this trade. Pretty good trade, last trade, and close it out. And Friday, if you don't see any continuation structure, that means call it a day. Okay, go have a fun day. Okay, okay, like the good thing about trading is you're your own boss, right? You don't have a 9 to 5 schedule, right? So when you don't see a continuation structure right here, right, call it a day, bro. Okay, all right. So why am I listening to Oliver Rodrigo? Okay, so also I'm gonna show you the 5-minute, right? Of course, we were just in this range, right? So of course you can trade at the bottom, top, like, so it's just range bound, right? Up top, up top, up top. Let's get the right entries and you'll be good. So we need to see a stronger move up or down, right? So if we are headed down, right, we need to see some type of break right here, and then a microstructure of yellow, then close an inverse cup right here, right? Teal microstructure, right? Right, and then possibly pink might be still support. Who knows? We still have to test pink again, because pink has been pretty good support since like freaking Wednesday, right? So we have to see if Monday we break, or Monday, Tuesday, if we do head down, if we break or not. But again, we might still retest 537. Who knows? But yeah, so wait for the market to reveal itself. I'm gonna move all this because it's hurt my eyes so much drawing. But yeah, to go up, honestly, we need to break out of this yellow, and we need to close this cup right here, right? Get some type of some type of microstructure off of pink. Also, you have to be careful of this tapering teal, right? So there's a lot of resistance going back up. Okay, so you need to wait for like, I hope there's a gap up Monday or something, so like we just gap up right here, close this big cup at 543, right? That's the play. But yeah, so if I want to show you too on the 30-minute, right, close this cup right here, some type of handle, right? Then we close this big cup at 544ish right here, right? And then we have another pink. Okay, so yeah, pretty simple. And today is the most fun I've had in a Friday in so long. I actually enjoyed trading the whole day. Like, I wasn't bored at all, or I wasn't like very like, I was very focused today because it was so fun. But I am kind of annoyed that I didn't catch that green, and I took that loss right here, which kind of did mess me up. Even on this trade right here, I was like very it shook me up. Like, even if I was up, like, that loss still shook me up, and I was like, why didn't I see that green, right? Because I had so much opportunity to see that green. It wasn't like right, it wasn't like I didn't see the, like, there was green, obviously, like you could see that tapering right here, right? So I don't know why I didn't notice that green, and it just annoyed me so much, especially even up to this trade. Like, I think I kind of wasn't very sure, and it just made me doubt this trade, right? But after that, I was just chilling. After this trade, I was just like back in my headspace, and then I was able to check this trade right here, right? And yeah, it was just, yeah. So like that, I wait for confirmations, man. Like I messed up with the pink as well. Like I had the pink, I believe like, I don't know where the pink. Fuck, I don't forget. Yeah. Yeah, like I had the pink, like, oh god, did I just pick? I don't even know. It's just like that was a long time ago. Hey, it's in the past, okay? Forget about it. It's in the past, right? But yeah, just don't rush for, especially when you're shorting this. Like, I shorted it because I was like, oh, we liked continuation. We tapered up at yellow, so I was like, okay. But I just should have paid attention. I just didn't pay attention to the green, and that's my fault. But yeah, I did get. It was $1,000 loss. Like this whole green candle was $1,000 loss for me. I will never forget it. But I'm still up. I'm still up very good today. But yeah, it's like, okay. So in my opinion, right, even if I'm profitable, if I'm making money, it's just I would, it annoys me rather, like I'm just like, I just being a good trader isn't about how like, it is about how much you're up, but like it's like also about like catching if that, I don't know how to explain it, like even if I'm up like 10,000, right, if this whole miss kind of bums me out, if that makes sense. But yeah, cause it's just like, how did I miss this? You know, like how did I miss the green algo? But yeah, guys. It's a part of trading psychology, right? Of course. But if I actually should have shorted this, I should have waited for the break of yellow right here, right? And then shorted, or I should have waited more. But yep. It's a lesson, you know. I'm gonna improve from that. But yeah, I am up a lot for Friday. This is probably the most I made in a Friday, like in like a couple weeks. But yeah, all right, guys. Have a great weekend. I'm gonna have to do some school assignments. Because I am a scholar. I'm gonna do it at like 9 p.m. though, cause I just wanna watch a show. I'm not gonna watch Boys. I have Boys pulled up, but I'm not gonna watch that. I watched it for like 10 minutes the other day. It was kind of boring. Okay. But yeah, pretty good day. Yeah, have a great weekend, guys. GG's. Bye bye.